1 month ago, MrBeast implemented this new upload method that can get you 4,000 watch hours and monetized fast, or make you a lot more money from AdSense if you're already monetized like me. On top of that, his method will give you more views and outlier videos like mine. This truly can be the best YouTube video of the century if you copy what Jimmy is doing. Because MrBeast just started uploading these videos 1 month ago. They are compilations of his old 8 to 10 minute gaming videos. Now before I show you how you can copy this format in every niche and mistakes to absolutely avoid getting your channel fucked. First, 3 reasons why they are so powerful. The YouTube algorithm loves watch time more than anything else, at least based on the research and papers that I've studied so far. Since watch hours likely hold the highest weight in the algorithm, uploading long compilations is a cheat code to exploding views, even with a below average view duration. I actually found a little hack to increase your average view duration massively on these type of videos. But first, the second reason, well, the RPMs on these 1 hour videos are insane. To me, this is the most interesting, and I'm confident this is the reason Jimmy just started uploading them. I mean, $10 RPMs on these type of videos, $20 RPMs on these videos, and even $50 RPMs on these. After being on YouTube since 2012 and making over $5 million in revenue, I've not found a higher leverage format on YouTube than these. Because also they take so little additional time to create. I mean, you already have the main content. You only have to create a new intro, transitions in between, new call to actions or sponsor breaks, if any, an outro and title. And you can even reuse your best click-through rate thumbnail or slightly tweak it with my free thumbnail templates to create this, and even this in minutes for free. And voila, you have a views and AdSense money-making machine, which brings me to the 2 best practices on implementing this format and 1 mistake to absolutely avoid. First, I see it as a recurring, almost passive machine, one that you can turn on, for example, every quarter based on your last 3 months of uploads. Now, if you upload 1 8-minute video per week, then you can create a 1 to 2 hour compilation out of your 12 videos and upload one of those hour videos 4 times a year, which is very likely to explode your channel like it did for these guys. Second, the order of these videos is important. The right order can increase your average view percentage from 10% to over 25% and thus explode your watch hours. So you never have to face this watch hour problem that almost any small YouTuber faces. So then how do you find the right order? Well, if you don't have a lot of time, just put your highest viewed videos first in the compilation. I actually have 2 other more advanced methods to increase your 30-second viewership and average view duration. So comment the word inside and I will send them to you for free. Which brings me to 1 mistake to absolutely avoid, which is getting hit with YouTube reuse content policy. Yes, even if they are your own 8-minute videos stitched together, you can still get striked. Or worse, you actually can get your channel deleted. Again, comment the word insights and I will send you how you can avoid getting your channel demonetized. It's free, just like my Google Sheet with over 70 free YouTube tools. Just like it is basically free to create these 1 hour type videos. That, by the way, don't have to be a compilation. They can also be a loop video, like this example of 4 hour study with me. And my personal favorite, a full guide. For example, a 30-minute English course for beginners. Or this one for AI. Or this one for piano. Or this one for accounting. And on and on. Talking about accounting, my bookkeeper would have been in tears if he saw how much money and views I've lost on this video. I wish someone told me about this YouTube setting earlier. It's honestly, I think, one of my most valuable videos. Watch it here to avoid my mistakes. Or read my emails where I share more things like how I got this gift from Google. But also YouTube tips like this where you can change your face for a Studio Ghibli version in your thumbnail and get a higher click-through rate, as you can see. So check my emails for practical YouTube advice.